So, hello students, welcome you all. I know JKS is round the corner and lot of thoughts are simmering inside the students. Yes, I would definitely say you people have done a good hard work for your preparation throughout the year. This time fear is genuine, but you need to have some faith in your hard work. Therefore, I would say that this time is about revision. You have to revise. You have to believe that whatever knowledge you have, whatever repository you have built throughout the year, you just need to revise. Don't go after new set of information. Okay? And moreover, try to relax your mind. Keep yourself hydrated. Take a very good sleep in the night. Don't overthink because what happens that we get into a momentum like past 2 3 days whatever activity we are doing, if we are overthinking about ourselves, if we are overthinking about particular polity or geography topic, that whether I remember this or not, then this kind of overthinking happens in the examination also. Believe in your instinct also. Go for a good revision and revise with a priority. For example, some students नीड टू वर्क इन देयर सी सैट ऑस्पेक्ट. कुछ बच्चों को सी सैट पे थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट 1 or 2 hours ऑफ सी सैट प्रैक्टिस विल बी वेरी गुड. वेर एज सम स्टूडेंट्स फील दैट हमने बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन एक पेज पे लिखे हुए थे, डेटाज लिखा हुआ है कुछ. ओके, सो रिवाइज देम. मोर ओवर पॉलिटी एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, ये हाई यील्डिंग एरियाज हैं, तो इनको हम अच्छे से एक बार रिवाइज कर लेंगे. करंट अफेयर्स वी विल हैव अ वेरी गुड लुक. देयर हैज बीन रूथलेस रैपिड रिवीजन प्रोग्राम ऑल्सो फॉर द करंट अफेयर्स. तो हमने जो पढ़ा हुआ है उसको एक बार अच्छे से रिवाइज करेंगे. ओके, एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली डोंट कीप इट फॉर द लास्ट डे कि आई विल गेट माई एडमिट कार्ड प्रिंटेड, व्हाट पेन आई विल बी गिविंग एग्जाम थ्रू. ये सब चीज हम इन 2 3 दिनों में अच्छे से कर लेंगे एंड फील रिलैक्स्ड फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, so before proceeding I want to give you certain tips and techniques for the examination. Very rational, very practical. Try to think with certain clues in the mind. Okay, so first thing is, let's look at a question. These kind of questions whenever you are getting in the examination, some students were very skeptic while I was taking class over there, that sir, different types of questions are there, how much question I should be attempting, what is my sweet spot to get the maximum marks out of it. Understand that each and every word in the question is extremely important. So in the context of Indian history, Rakhmabai case 1884 revolved around which case? ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे and you might not be knowing about this particular case, but here you have to understand. पहली statement is talking about right to gain an education. It is talking about education. Age of consent is talking about marriage. Restitution of conjugal rights. These two statements are basically talking about marriage. तो या तो statement 1, because this case they are talking is very specific, 1884. तो या फिर it will be option 1 only correct or 2, 3 both correct, because these two are dealing with marriage, this is dealing with education. So 1 only is not an option, therefore you will go with B. So basic IQ thinking you have to utilize. Okay, these kind of questions where more statements are given, certain clues will be there. If you'll read this question, you will find that 3 statements are given regarding intellectual property rights. यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छी चीज you will observe that third statement is already present in all these options. Third is present here also, here also, here also, and here also. These are UPSC questions, very much aligned with JKAS. तो ये इसका मतलब ये है कि this information is already given to you as a clue, that you derive this information and find certain information, making the statement correct. Plant varieties are not eligible to be patented in India. This is already a part of information that is given to you. Therefore, statement 1, according to Indian Patents Act, a biological process to create a seed can be patented. देखो एक तरफ कह रहा है कि ये not eligible है. On the other hand, these two statements are contradictory. On the other hand, it is saying that biological process to create a seed can be patented, and it is saying it cannot be patented. Therefore, these two statements are already contradictory. ये derive कर सकते हो, already information provided है question में. Therefore, statement 1 is wrong. And in India, there is no intellectual property appellate board. देखो, right to appeal is called as principle of natural justice. Therefore, definitely there will be an appellate board thing will be there, and highest court of appeal is already Supreme Court. Therefore, this statement is also wrong. Correct answer should be C, 3 only. You can see this question with reference to the management of minor minerals in India. Prima facie कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमें कभी डिफिकल्ट लगते हैं. You have to hold your nerves. That's why I want to say that last 3 days are there where you have to understand that it is not just by mugging up or rote information you can do these questions correctly, but having your mindset clear how you are going to approach these questions. Here also you will find that third statement is already mentioned in all the options available. Therefore, third statement is correct. It is given as a clue. Objective of explaining these questions to you is that most of the time certain queries, questions, and different aspects of the questions are mentioned in the statements. You have to read between the lines. You have to read with patience. You have to read with your IQ, your intellectual ability, reasoning ability. Then you will come back to the answer very quickly. The next aspect is, last year, as we have seen that two kinds of questions I want to talk to you about where students are mostly apprehensive that how to approach these questions. One aspect that we are talking about is pairs. How to tackle this pairs questions. And another aspect is about reason and assertion. देखो, on one hand, जो अभी तक हमने डिस्कस किया वहां पे आई वाज एडवाइजिंग यू कि आप क्लूज फाइंड करो. ओके, try to solve this as a problem and reach to the conclusion. Here, which pairs are correct? Yahan pe I am suggesting you, if you are sure about it, if you are very sure about it, doubly sure about it, then only approach these questions because they are mostly factual questions. Agar pata hai to attempt karo, nahi pata hai to try to save your time and don't go for trap, don't go for negative marks. Okay, so here you can see that schedule 3, schedule 4, schedule 5 and schedule 8 they have asked. Okay, then if you are confirmed that yes, it is a factual information, that's what you have to match. Similarly, here you can see that identify the correct match. The oath or affirmation before CJI, judges of Supreme Court, either you know it or you don't know it. Don't take risks into these kind of questions. And when we are talking about reason and assertion, these are also somewhere risky questions if you are not very sure about it. So हमने दो set of questions में divide किया है क्वेश्चन पेपर को. 100 marks का क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन number of questions हैं. On one hand, we are talking about you have to find the clues, you have to use your reasoning ability to get to the correct answers. On the other hand, I am telling you, if you are doubly sure, then only go for these kind of questions. Okay. So, all the very best for your JKS and keep working hard. See you in the class.